Hi everyone, Sierra here. I just wanted to let you guys know we have recently launched our Cerule mobile app. I'm here today to take you through how you can use it, all of the features and functionality of the app, and why it's going to change your Cerule business. Once you download the Cerule mobile app from the Google Play or Apple Store, open your app and use your Cerule username and password to log in. The first thing you want to make sure to do when you download your Cerule app is turn on your push notifications. Go to the hamburger menu on the top left of your screen. Scroll down to find Settings, locate push notifications, and switch them on. By having your push notifications turned on, you'll receive exclusive app-only promotions and deals, plus you'll get the cash register notification sound every time an order is placed in your organization. Oh look! We just made a new order in our organization. If you click that button, it will open up the Cerule app and then you can view your recent orders. Once you log in, you'll be taken to your Cerule homepage, your dashboard. You can see our current promotions, your current earnings, all of your volumes, and your fast movers. Fast movers are people in your organization that are close to achieving their next rank. You can click on the three dots next to your fast mover to call or view their profile. Now let's review the 5 buttons on the bottom of your screen. You can use the shop icon to add Cerule products to your cart anywhere you go. Now let's talk about how you can enroll people with your new Cerule app. Go to the Enroll icon and have your prospect scan the QR code with their own phone. This will open a new tab on their phone where they can enroll as an independent business owner, a preferred customer, or retail customer under you. You can also click the blue Share Link button to send your personal website to your prospects over social media, email, or even through text message. You can also click the green Open in Browser button to open your website in a new browser for your new prospect to enroll on your personal device. You can also copy the link by clicking on the chain icon so that you can send your personal website details to any of your prospects. Let's talk about the share icon. Sharing information with your prospects just got easier. You can use this section to share business information and product information. Click on the document you want to share, instant tensor serum, for example. You can then download, copy the link, share, or open the document in your browser, all from this section. You can also share Cerule videos. Under the Product Media Files section, click on Video and choose the video of your choice. You can also download, copy and share the link, or even open the video on your own phone. Now to the Profile section. You can easily view all of your Cerule account information, change your phone number, email, or shipping address. You can also view your current rank and your upcoming ranks. You can edit your information by clicking on the pencil icon in the top right of your screen. Now that we've given you a basic overview of the app, we'll go into more detail up here on the left-hand side on the hamburger menu. Here you can view your dashboard, news, recent activity, lead information, rank, commissions, and quick reports. You can also view your orders and auto-ship orders, plus your own account settings. You can click on news to see company news, and you can click on those for more information. You can also go into your recent activity tab, where you can see all of the people that have made recent orders, created new orders, enrolled new IBOs and retail customers, created auto ships. You'll never miss a beat with your new Cerule mobile app. You can also go into the leads section where you can add new prospects. Right now we don't have any leads, but we can always add one by clicking the plus icon in the top right-hand corner. You can choose to import your contacts from your address book, or you can add in your new prospects and leads manually. You can also view new reports, such as your rank, commissions, or even quick reports, where you can view downline auto ship orders, upcoming rank advancements, new team members, and more. Under the auto ships section, you can easily manage or create a new auto ship on the go. Finally, you can go into your settings to view all of the different settings you have on your Cerule app. Here you can update your payment methods, make sure your push notifications are turned on, plus manage your privacy preferences, and manage your display settings. Here, you can change your font size or switch to dark mode. Download your Cerule mobile app on the App Store or the Google Play Store today. Check the description for those links. We'll talk to you soon.